Print infrastructure modernization, a step-by-step architecture guide. Print infrastructure rarely gets attention until it becomes a constant source of outages, security concerns, and IT frustration. And in many organizations, print is one of the last systems still relying on outdated architecture. This video explores print infrastructure modernization from an architectural perspective, focusing on security, scalability, and everyday operations. Step 1 is understanding what's driving modernization. Frequent support tickets, complex troubleshooting, and security risks are often signs that print is demanding more attention than it should. Step 2 is defining what modern print actually means. Modern print architecture is cloud-aware, centrally managed, and designed to scale, without relying on fragile, server-heavy environments. Step 3 starts with identity. Identity connects users, devices, policies, and reporting, creating a more secure and consistent experience across the organization. Step 4 is designing the policy and control plane. Centralized policies make it easier to manage access, security rules, and print behavior consistently across the entire environment. Step 5 focuses on connectivity, reliability, and scale. Modern print architecture should keep users connected and productive, even across distributed networks and changing conditions. Step 6 is making intentional device and driver choices. Standardization reduces support effort, simplifies updates, and helps IT spend less time firefighting. Step 7. Build for observability and Day 2 operations. Modern print environments should provide clear visibility into usage, failures, and policy enforcement so IT teams can quickly identify issues, spot trends, and troubleshoot more efficiently. Modernizing print infrastructure is not about replacing hardware first. It is about rethinking architecture so print behaves like the rest of modern IT.